All right, we got a AGT 2024 new unused skid steer with the high tracks, 31-inch front bucket there. Gas powered, pretty nice unit. Quick disconnect in the front, auxiliary hydraulics, very easy to use, super handy. Beats the shovel, that's for sure, and the prices have been right. I'll fire it up real fast and give you a quick little demo. All right. Lights, that's about all you need right there. Here's the fan, boom, you can hear it, lights on, and the horn. That's it, pretty basic, super nice, easy to use. Come check it out. Preview day Friday 9 to 4, that's the day before the auction. Questions in the meantime, just let us know and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.